Alkönig, baby.
Yeah, we level up. I'm gonna climb up the levels, go harder. Like flash every time we go past. I'll never lose the game, I'm gonna last. So let's start. Yeah, we level up.
All over the radio and back up in the raves again. We got the crowd on the wave like it's a stadium. Call me the weatherman, it's about to be a great weekend. I'm on the cloud, let's make it rain again.
Yeah, we level up.
Nice but naughty shirts and dresses looking saucy. Living in our minuses cause life begins at 40 level up. Call me Bond, James Bond. How I maintain, and I'm in the States on. My brain racing like I'm trying to win the gold for Britain. On a one track mind,
Bare have den her.
we're only stopping when we post for now we move so wavy we get motion sickness.
I'm gonna climb up the levels, go harder. Like flash every time we go past. I'll never lose the game, I'm gonna last. So let's start. Yeah, we level up.
Feeling like I just won the lotto, pop a bottle and I make him say like I'm your dentist. Keys to the suite, you can call me Alan Sugar. Yeah, we're firing tonight and I might need an apprentice. Reunion, old school and uni friends. It's your excuse to act like hooligans. Bend and break the rules again. Party's just getting started at 2 AM. Waking up at noon next to who are you?
Hvad skal vi finde på at tricks hernede? Kan vi finde på et eller andet her?
Vi kunne prøve den af skraldespanden.
Altså, så skal vi gå ned ind?
Ja.
Ja. Secondly. Kan du klare det, tror du?
Ja, jeg skal prøve i hvert fald.
Det er Alkönig, jo.
Det er okay,
Okay, der ligger lidt klam mad og sådan noget dernede. Det er ikke så lækkert. Ved ikke, hvor sjovt det er at samle bolden op dernede fra?
Du prøver det?
Ja. Kan du ikke prøve at skyde låget ned på den, så er der et eller andet i stedet for, fordi den er lidt klam sådan. Ja.
Okay, så dem her oppe bag...
Ja, og så prøv bare at skyde det ned på.